Feeling drained right now? Pause scrolling and try this quick fix before your energy dips further. Welcome to HealthyBillien, your resource for simple, practical movement that fits into everyday life. If you are experiencing a mid-afternoon slump, lacking stamina, or dissatisfied with overly complex workouts that leave you sore and unmotivated, this is the right place for you. Today, we are doing a gentle 20-minute walk at home, the perfect daily walking routine for adults that builds real stamina, boosts your heart health, and gets your energy soaring without any equipment, jumping, or leaving the house. This low-impact walking workout is an easy home exercise anyone can do. No gym, no fancy gear, just you moving in your living room. By the end of this indoor walking workout, you'll feel more energized, lighter, and ready to tackle your day. Stick with me for just a few minutes, and I promise you will finish stronger, with better stamina and a happier heart. This walking workout, no equipment style, is a game changer for a walk-at-home workout for heart health. Ready? Let's get started. First, clear a little space, stand tall, and let warm up nice and easy. Roll those shoulders back. Good. Now start gently marching in place. Feel that? We're waking up your body with this gentle walk at home. Keep it light, knees soft, arms swinging naturally. Before increasing the pace, consider this. How many days per week are needed to notice improved stamina and energy from a walking routine like this? Is it 7 days? 3 days? Please share your guess in the comments below. The answer and acknowledgements will be provided shortly. Alright, pattern interrupt time, shake it out. Wiggle your fingers, roll your neck, surprise. Doesn't that feel refreshing? Now, let's dive into why this 20-minute walk at home is so powerful for adult health and stamina. I am breaking it down into 5 key points. These are the real reasons people keep coming back to this walking workout at home. Point 1. It's incredibly low impact, perfect for joints and beginners. Unlike running or high-intensity stuff that can wear you out, this low-impact walking workout keeps things gentle while still getting your heart pumping. You're building stamina without the ache, ideal for daily consistency. Point 2. Boosts heart health big time. This walk-at-home workout for heart health gets your blood flowing, lowers blood pressure, and strengthens your cardiovascular system. Just 20 minutes a day of this indoor walking workout can make a huge difference in how strong and steady you feel. Point 3. Build stamina you use all day. If you often lose energy midday, this routine helps your body stay charged and focused longer, minimizing those afternoon crashes and keeping you productive. Point 4. Super convenient, no equipment needed. This walking workout with no equipment means you can do it anytime, anywhere, at home, bad weather, busy schedule. No excuses with this easy walking exercise at home. Point 5. Instantly boosts mood and energy. Walking triggers endorphins that help you feel happier, less stressed, more focused, and refreshed right away. Each session can quickly elevate your outlook and motivation. How amazing is that? Now let's keep moving, pick up the pace a bit. March a little faster, add some side steps. Good. Feel your heart rate rising gently. Oh, and remember that question earlier? The magic number is just 3 to 4 days a week to start noticing more stamina, but doing it daily like this accelerates everything. Who's committing to that? Comment them in below. We're about halfway. You're doing awesome. Keep those arms pumping, left, right, as we cool down soon. Slow your march, breathe deep, great job. If this 20-minute walk boosted your energy, tap like and share your biggest win in the comments. I'll read them all. For more like this, use the link below for a recommended daily walking plan tailored just for you. Thanks for walking with me today on HealthyBillien. See you tomorrow for more feel-good movement. Keep stepping strong.